Hello and welcome to Real Estate 120. This is David Johnston. I'll be your instructor for the course. I wanted to go over 3 things to help you get acquainted with real estate practice on this website. First is navigation and the links. The next is course content, and then my contact information. So as far as navigation goes, the links, on the left-hand side you'll see a series of hot links that you can move throughout the course on. Most important one is always going to be the learning modules. They'll take you to your modules, which are basically the chapters that correspond with the text. So those are your learning modules. Announcements, you can see any announcements that I've posted. A wiki is a short paper that you're required to do. The blogs are also a couple of short papers. Discussions are in there also. You can go into the discussions. There is a discussion required in each chapter, and you'll find that at the end of each learning module. So make sure and do those. It's based on participation, and you'll get 50 points for doing all of them. Of course, your calendar's here and your email. The best way to contact me is through this email, because as you send me an email, it contacts me on my personal emails and tells me to go in and look. Plus I look every day anyway, so I'll make sure and get your email if you use this. You can use my personal if you'd like to, but sometimes those get buried with my business emails. Also, you can find your grades on here, your syllabus is here, the listing presentation, your assessments are all your quizzes. But once again, the quizzes are also included back up here in the modules. At the end of each module, there's a quiz. So you can just finish all the material, educational material in the module, and then take your quiz. So let's look at a quiz right now. Let's go into learning modules. You could go here into to the assessments and take one, but the easiest way to do it is to review the course content in your learning modules. So what you'll do is click on here. Once it opens up, you move down to the chapter you're working on. Let's go ahead and check this chapter 2 on ethics. As it opens up, the first thing you'll see is your student learning outcomes, a short video, some information on RESPA, which is Real Estate Settlement and Procedures Act. There's a PowerPoint. There's a knowledge builder. A knowledge builder is really simple. All it is a practice quiz. Get you prepared to take your tests and other quizzes. And down here it finishes up with a short paper, which is called a blog, and then your chapter quiz. So you'll take quiz 2 right at the end here. So now back from chapter 2, as we move down course content on this side, there's an important thing to recognize here also. Here's your syllabus, very important. I would print that out and look at all the due dates. But once again, if you stick with your learning modules, you'll get all those done. Your blog, your wiki, and here's some information on your listing presentation and some attachments. Make sure and follow those attachments to ensure that you have all the directions and instructions understood. I will also post another video to show some examples, and we can discuss those later. Finishing up with a link to the library and also the help desk. Now once again, you can contact me. If you look at the syllabus, my phone number's on there, or go ahead and email me through the website. So I hope this helps on navigation, course content, and my contact information. Any other questions, feel free to call me. Once again, my phone number's on the syllabus, or go ahead and go through the email system here and send me an email. Best of luck in the course this year, and call me if you need me.